video orang zohtu and dihlak sunga lawm na tampi ngai YouTube le YouTube subscribe rak to pya lo hi Facebook page hi like rak to pya ho swing kapal na ko zong ai le handa ya tam de chinin remh le tha de win to ko ka rak som lai chi ha even nawl du ha tampi ngai le hina palhnak tam to ni ka tu George or to zong ni ha say say America may action radio sama.
Yes, I am.
Kasi
Yes, you are.
Sile bihalnak header rogun na umbi tamde deu nakal khole phas tamde hulai bihalnak ahar da deu choma belai izai tiksan bo ne du tiksan bo wa nangol khoi na chok khau kha na haldinga chinta kan ni se bidik lo pakhatte na chimchol ase chun na jami vel de na chong di lai atwa american mp vel den haya bitak na chimphon long slow in kazan hin na chong khar kazan na hoi le ha mai zonga bitak chim salai kema kamin chu sili ka si George enunga nu se kai chu sili atang se kai chu George abos pa se.
My question is for you guys. Are you ready for this? In that case, let's begin. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
All right, let's go for it. Level 1 has 6 questions. All you have to do is answer those 6 questions truthfully. I'll give you $10,000.
I'll take it.
If you're ever concerned about an answer you gave on your polygraph exam, don't worry, you can change that tonight.
Hey.
Okay? Find out a little bit about our friend George. I know you're an energetic person.
That's good.
Yeah. Are you an inquisitive person?
Pretty inquisitive.
Curious?
Curious.
Yeah?
Energetic, though.
Bihalnak khatnak Narian 20 hoi na thailau in anchilri nala an nakal people mo.
Yes.
Oh, kalbibal.
That answer is true.
That's one truthful answer. 5 more $10,000. It dawns on me that I hope you win money since the first question was about your work and your boss is right here.
It wasn't you, Mike. Why did you go through yourself?
Yeah. What do you think about that, Mike?
Talk about it later.
When did you go through somebody's things?
Just today. I don't know. I had to go to somebody else's desk and get a phone number, and it was like, oh, and what's this? But it wasn't you, Mike. My fault wasn't you. Mike. Never go through yourself.
You have one truthful answer. Let's get you some more. George, you a religious person?
Raised a Catholic.
Yeah.
An altar boy. You know.
Altar boy?
I know. I'm a Boy Scout. I don't know.
So you spent some time in math?
Spent some time in math.
Question 2.
Bihalnak panhina boy pasandria na hanliu a nalung thin chung in nu ka chul du na lung thin na ngai bal mo.
Yes.
That answer is true.
Tell me about this.
Like Troy said, you know, it's on a man's mind, and
Yeah.
so it doesn't matter if you're at church, if it's work, if, you know, you're thinking about it, especially when you're a teenager. You know, I was in math a lot when I was younger.
Yeah. George, you're doing great. Hold on. We'll be right back in a moment. When we come back, more questions for George. Let's see if he tells the truth. Right after this.
The moment of truth continues.
We're back with more of the moment of truth. Sitting here with a very excited George Ordazar. Feeling pretty confident.
Feeling confident.
2 truthful answers, 4 more, $10,000. Seem to be in pretty good shape.
Pretty good shape so far.
Do you work out?
Not at all. No, I've gained like 35 pounds in the last 2 years. All I do is eat. I don't know.
bihalnak pathumnak narol hoi na laka narol hoi hanak in kaima hi ka do deu tia na rut mo
My answer is yes.
For you.
That answer is true.
That's three truthful answers, George.
atang mi pathum na le kho chun dola sangkhat na nga thangai atukum sa dan se
46. 46.
Are you really 46?
46.
You look terrific.
Thank you so much.
Lily, you're his girlfriend. You think he looks pretty good for his age?
I think so.
Yeah, I do
Yes.
too. I would have never guessed he was 46. 35 maybe.
That's what I thought when I met him.
You know, I want to take a moment and say hello to you guys. I know you're sort of sitting here a little powerless in the whole process. We've just started. That's 3 questions.
thate in bihalnak ale kho achi chi achun du thate in maya kan kal thoma lai I kham hai kan kal thoma do tika khan bihalnak song khan har do thoma te lai tika thainan du lo mi bihalnak chun hi nam phi lai khan kha bihalnak khan lon thak lai I chun adang bihalnak khan kan kal kho achna in hi voi khat te long mi nak no ni ngai hi kha vi khat nam hi di du chu atwa mi nak no ni ngai ti lo
You talked about how good looking you are. You are in great shape for 46. I mean, that's not old, but you sure look younger than that. How do you keep your good looks?
I got secrets. I have secrets.
Not for long. Question 4.
bihalnak
Are you currently a
palina
member of the hair club?
atulewa hin hair crop thungtel minung pakhat na chimo
Yes.
That answer is
You look great, baby.
Look who's laughing the loudest, right?
true.
That's 4 truthful. 2 more $10,000. So some of this is yours, and some of this,
not. Yeah. And
some of it you own.
I've had it for a while, in fact.
Yeah.
Back in the day when the commercials like, you could use it, and you even when you go swimming, you know, you see the guy going, "Hey, this is."
You have 4 truthful answers. 2 more, $10,000. Where do you work?
I work at Hollywood Park. It's a racetrack here in Los Angeles. I'm the marketing manager, and my boss is right there.
bihalnak panganak hai cha thap in tel mi len te chel nak ni kalim kho lai tia na ruat mo
My answer is definitely yes.
That answer is true.
5 truthful answers. Not easy question. One more $10,000. So you have considered that you might have a gambling problem.
I don't know. I've tried, and I just love gambling. It's definitely affected my life in the past. I mean, there's definitely lots of money I've lost, but I got to admit to myself that it's something it's one of my problems.
Do you handle all the finances in the house?
No, I mean, after years of experience with my previous wife, we've decided that she's going to handle all the money in the house.
dola sangkhat hu nak ding adong nak big bihalnak poruk nak
Do you
nanungak nuni ang halaw mi akhitiim ban akhong natu mi a ummo.
That answer is true.
Kha kanin lom pi ngai ngai dollar sangkhat nangai chang kan lom.
Sit down and relax. Sit down and relax. Wow, that's what I get for 10 grand. What's 500,000 going to be like? George, congratulations.
Thank you so
answered
much.
some questions that were actually quite pointed for the first round. And you did it great.
Thank you.
George, I want you to think long and hard about this. You just got here. We're having a great time. You're welcome to stay as long as you like.
Atua dollar sangkhat nangai changi hi nadu atan nalaki nakal khotang atsna in tuari ko si tin nadu sia chun bihalna hi an hardau laina in an atlom deu tang lai ye tua dol bihalna panga big in nali kho si sia chun dollar sang hi le khonga na tang lai.
I saw Lily say go for it. I saw your boss Mike say go for it. Uncle Pedro, what do you say? Say go for it. Okay.
I play poker at his house. He loves to gamble. I'm going for it.
Okay. All right. George Ortizar has $10,000, but as he admitted, he is a gambler, and he's going to gamble that $10,000 right after this. Stay with us. Welcome back to the Moment of Truth. We are here with George Ortizar. What a great smile, great energy. Seemed to be a great guy. And in the first 6 questions, there were questions that were pretty difficult to answer. You still feel okay?
Feel okay, you know, I'm pretty open about a lot of things, and
I see that.
I'm trying to be as truthful as I can, and I'm a gambler. We found that out in the first round. So
Yes.
I'm ready to go all the way.
So let's talk about truth. You tend to exaggerate things.
Sometimes I exaggerate the truth a little bit.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Bihalna pasarina kabong bichung no amhai lai hi puak deuh si ti tu nak lung chin he in thil pakhat khat na den balmo.
Actually, the answer is yes.
That answer is true.
That's 7. 4 more for $25,000. Were you padding the night you met Lily?
You know, I was looking at myself in the mirror. I was like, this was good, this was good, this was good. Maybe I'll leave a little help there. How embarrassing.
Well, you know, some of these questions can be embarrassing. George, I'm dying to
George zai tuk tiang hi beli na hi nali kholai ti chu ka hallo na in ban cheta atu bantan adi cha hai lai tan tu a kan tong than te lai ro thna ngai ko lam na kom ngai i video ro sau tu koi kom do mi han di lo sang lam na ngai i YouTube subscribe to ro ka phu ta alo hi Facebook page tong hi like kaya rakat film phao sin de kha exam fa no ban du ha chun nan hoi le jong kha hung bin ha che zo bin ha che tin du chun rak share ha lo mention jong rak to ko ha bin be kha ka zo hin za fa no ban du ha lo na kam mai.
The one question he thought he'd never have to answer.
There's only one question that's been bothering him for the last 5 years. He's asking me that question.
Have you ever gambled away one of your children's college funds?